Hey friends, it's Randy Dawn and a marathon coach. Well, minus the marathon coach right now.
Yeah.
We're back up in Michigan. You can see all the beautiful Christmas decorations behind us. We just wanted to share a little bit of Christmas cheer with you, show you the little town that we live in, that we come home to on occasion, and where our families all live.
Yeah, and if you're on your way up to Petoskey to see us this coming summer, this is a great place to stop. There's a great RV resort just south of us. We're in Saugatuck right now, downtown Saugatuck. But there's a lot of great spots to visit in the summer up here. I mean, even now is a great time to be up here. But we just wanted to share a little bit about what we get to enjoy while we're home. It's a quaint little town. We love where we live.
They do it up right at Christmas.
They do it up right,
beautiful.
yeah.
I know you've probably seen tons of Christmas lights, but we just had to share.
Yeah.
so.
And we want to thank you for watching Randy, Dawn, and the Marathon Coach this year. And we want to wish all of
Yes.
you from the family at Marathon Coach, which
Yes.
it truly is a family. And we're so
is.
proud to be a part of it. We want to wish all of you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And we're really looking forward to 2021.
Oh yes, let's put 2020 behind
right,
us. I
that's
think we
right.
can all agree.
Yeah.
So come along with us. We want to
Yes.
show you around.
And thanks for watching Randy, Dawn, and a Marathon Coach.
The beautiful thing about Saugatuck is definitely the people. The people here are kind and courteous of one another. They love decorations. They love the festival of Christmas and completely have the total Christmas spirit. One of my favorite places. They know how to decorate. I believe that guy's a marathon owner. This is the huge tree that sits in our big park here in Saugatuck. It overlooks the bay. This place is called Old Pike, and it's a new little resort here in our town that sits right on the bay. And they've just done a beautiful job of decorating everything right down to the details. We sure hope you all have a wonderful Christmas, and we'll see you out on the road.